Hey guys, in this 3DVista tutorial I'm going to explain you how it works with dynamic titles and why they're important. Well, you don't want to overwhelm your skin with a lot of skin components that you have to use, show height components on actions and stuff like that. To keep it simple, it is reception, you see here, and boutique hotel. And when I move to another panorama, it changes to restaurant Voltaire and restaurant Voltaire. And when I go there, it says the bar. And when I go, for example, outside, then it says the terrace and outside, a landgoed, I don't know in English. And a little bridge, you know, and stuff like that. So it changes. And it's all been done in 3DVista with only these two elements. And as you can see, this is just something you have to remember to use these two brackets. So if I remove one of them, now it's not going to work. It's going to show only bracket, title, bracket. But now using two brackets like this, title and subtitle. Now you might be wondering, where is it getting this information from? Well, it's getting this information from the panoramas, where you click on one of the panoramas, and it's here the title and the subtitle. And so here it gets the information from. And you can see all these panoramas, and this saves a lot of time. I mean, if you have to duplicate these two elements basically like 20 times within here, and I'll use show height things, it's going to be a lot of work. So this is very easy, and it saves you a lot of loading time and work. Now another thing you might be wondering, can you only use this little amount of space in the subtitle? No, you can use this pretty much unlimited, so you can also just copy paste this and make a whole story on each panorama and just use this as a subtitle. Now the way to make this look nicer is to go to the skin. Well, not nicer, but I mean as in like adjusting how it looks like. And maybe I want to put this in red, then it's going to show in red. If I want to use another font, then use it here and use it on the whole subtitle. And the same applies for the title. If I want to change this, change the color like this, and it will change the color over all these other things as well. Let's make it like this. Very ugly, totally out of thing. But you see, this is how it works like. If you like this video, give it a like. Really helps me a lot, and see you in the next video.